Good morning. Welcome to the City Library. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to become a member, please.
Of course. I just need to take some details. What's your full name?
It's Ethan Fernsby.
Can you spell your first name, please?
Yes, it's Ethan
And your last name?
Fernsby.
Thank you. And what's your date of birth?
It's the 27th of August, 1986.
Great. What's your address?
I live at 48 Chesterton Avenue, Birmingham.
Could you spell the street name for me?
Sure, Chesterton.
And your phone number?
It's 0785 432 9176.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sure, 0785 432 9176.
Thanks. Finally, what's your email address?
It's e.fernsby86@gmail.com.
Could you spell that for me?
Yes, e.fernsby86@gmail.com.
Got it. You are now registered. Here is your library card.
Thank you very much. How many books can I borrow at the same time?
You can borrow up to 3 books at once.
And how long can I keep them for?
You have to bring the books back in 3 weeks, but you can renew them online if needed.
I see. Is there free Wi-Fi in the library?
Yes, we offer free Wi-Fi.
What's the password?
The password is LIB2459VIS.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Of course, it's LIB2459VIS. It's written on the notice board near the entrance.
Thanks. Also, where can I find mystery novels?
The mystery section is on the 2nd floor, near the window area.
Great, I'll go check it out.
Enjoy your visit and welcome to the library.